Good morning. This is Madanachari, contract lecturer in English, working at GPW Jogipet. Okay. Today's topic from listening skills. Today's topic from listening skills. Okay. The topic name is describing words. What is the topic? Describing words. What is meant by describe? What is meant by describe? Describe means what? Which kind of word it is, which kind of place it is, which type of sweet it is. Okay, means like this we are going to explain what it is and how it is. Okay, describing words. By using the words we are going to explain the quality of noun or a pronoun. Okay, means simply describing words. For describing words we are going to use the words, we are going to use the words which we may call them as an adjective, which we may call them as an adjective. Then what is adjective? Okay, here we are using the adjective, it's okay. Then what is adjective? Adjective means it denotes the quality of noun or a pronoun. Means it describes about the noun or pronoun. Means everything it may be describes about the noun or a pronoun. Okay, here we have information of what is an adjective. Adjective is a word that describes noun or a pronoun. Okay, adjective is a word which describes noun or a pronoun. Here we have an example. John is a clever boy. John is a clever boy. Here is any description. Here is any description about the John. So Jane. Okay, is there any description about the Jane? Yes. What is that? Clever. Clever is an adjective. Clever is an adjective. It comes for Jane. It denotes the quality of Jane. Okay, it denotes the quality of Jane. Okay, which kind of person is? He is very clever. This is the quality of Jane. Okay, this is the adjective. Here we have different kinds of adjectives. We have different kinds of adjectives. Apart from these, the first one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality means here adjective of quality tells what kind of noun or pronoun is. Okay, once again, adjective of quality tells what kind of noun or pronoun is. It describes characteristics of a noun or pronoun. It describes the characteristics of a noun or pronoun. Okay, this is about the adjective of quality. Here we have a few examples about the adjective of quality. Okay, the first one is it is a tall tree. It is a tall tree. What is the describing word in this sentence? Okay, what is the describing word in this sentence? The describing word is tall. The describing word is tall. Tall is reflecting or describing or explains the quality of that tree. Okay, it describes the quality of that tree. Which kind of tree it is? Which kind of tree it is? It is very tall. It is very tall. Tall is the quality of the tree. Tall is the quality of the tree. Okay. Now tell me, what is an adjective in this sentence? Tall is an adjective in this sentence. Then the second one is, it was a sunny day. It was a sunny day. How the day is? How the day is? How it is? It is very sunny. It is very sunny. Sunny is the describing word in this sentence. Okay. Then the third one is, Mrs. Joshi is a nice lady. Mrs. Joshi is a nice lady. Which kind of lady she is? She is very nice. She is very nice lady. Nice is the quality of that girl. We are using the word nice to describe that lady. Okay. Once again, we are using the word nice. Okay. We are using the word nice. By using the nice or by that word, we are describing that lady, how she is. How she is. How she is? She is very nice. She is very nice. Then next sentence, Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a big city. What is the describing word in this sentence? Big is the describing word in this sentence. Big is the describing word in this sentence. How the Delhi is? The Delhi is big. Delhi is the big. Big is the quality of that noun. Big is the quality of that noun. What is the noun here? The noun is Delhi. Okay, Delhi, how it is? It is very big. Okay, by using the big, we are describing the quality of the noun. Means the Delhi is a big city. Big is a describing word. The next one is, the book is written on a true story. The book is written on a true story. Which kind of story it is? Which kind of story it is? It is a true story. True is the quality of that story. Okay, that is the true story. Then my sister is very pretty. My sister is very pretty. How my sister is? Is very pretty. Pretty is the describing word in this sentence. By using this word, we are describing about my sister. We are describing about my sister. How she is? She is very pretty. Pretty is the describing word here. Then, and next sentence, I am learning French. I am learning French. French language. I am learning French. Of course, we have different kinds of language. Apart from these languages, I particularly learning French. I particularly learning French. Okay, this is description about the language. Okay, this is about the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality means here quality means it describes about the noun or a pronoun. And the next one is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Here we have an information. Adjective of a quantity tell us how much the thing, how much of things. It tells us approximate amount, not the exact number of a noun, such as much, a little, some, any, no, most, half, all, whole, sufficient, enough, a few, great. Okay, like this we are using the words to describe the quantity, of a noun, but we are not giving the exact quantity. Just we are giving the information about the noun, but we are not giving the exact quantity, how it is and how much it is. Okay, like this. Here we have a few examples. We will go through this. Ayush ate the whole cake. Ayush ate the whole cake. whole means how much? We cannot define exactly how much it is. Okay, we cannot define how much it is. Just we are saying a whole cake, whole cake. Okay, and then next sentence. Children finished most of the ice cream. Most of the ice cream. We cannot giving the exact how much it is, how many cakes it is. Just we are giving the most of the ice cream from the remaining part, from the part. Okay, from the bowl or from the bulk. Okay, simply we are giving the information about how much it is most. Next, how much money do you need? How much money do you need? Just I am asking how much money do you need. I am not giving the exact. Do you want 100 rupees or do you want 200? Okay, we are not giving the exactness, but simply we are describing the quality. Okay, then next one. We had so much fun in Nainital last year. Next, I have enough time. I have, how much time you have? I am not giving the exactness of the time. Just giving the information about enough time. It's enough time. Okay. Give me little water. Give me little water. How much water do you want? A glass or 2 glass or 3 glass. But simply we are giving the little water. Okay, like this. Some. Okay, next one is the sum. Okay, by using these words we are giving the information about the quantity, adjective of quantity. Okay, this is about the adjective of quantity. Thank you.